Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can install YouTube app in your Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we have to go to our Google Chrome browser and then here we have to search for YouTube and then click enter. So as you can see, we are in YouTube and now here you will get an option install YouTube. Just click on it. Click install. And by this, here you can see, would you like to pin YouTube to your taskbar? Yes, we would like to. And here you can see, we have a YouTube app in our desktop. Here you can see the YouTube icons over here. So this is how you can install YouTube in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.